my fans all around the world. The last what is it called? Onions. I planted onions last time and I made a video and I was telling us that I've never done that before. So I tried it and to my amazement it was doing very well. But we lost it. I don't know which of the animals that eat onions, and I made a video and I was asking in that video which animal does eat onions. But here in this other video right now, I have another seed of onion. The last one did not make it, so we are making another one right in this video. But if you watch this video to this extent, that's simply find my videos informative. What you have to do for me is give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and share this video. Now these are some onion seedlings. Can you see? I have some of them here. Now if you need to know, there are two ways you can plant onions. There are two ways. It's either through the seedlings or through these ones which you are seeing in this video right now. It can be this is more like the one which are already germinated and it is now harvested and dried for replanting. Or you can buy the seedlings and then just put it and then start from scratch. Sorry about that. So but this one is faster. You understand? This is faster. This is faster. It gives between 2 to 3 months. You should start harvesting these ones. Look at it here. Look at it closely. This one, you can see it's already popping out. That's a sign that okay, there is sign of life. But here there is none. So I want to try the both. This one, there's already a germinating sign, and this one there's none. So we are going to put these two inside these sacks. So this is how you're going to plant it. If you don't know, this is how to plant this thing correctly. This is how we're going to plant this thing correctly. You don't understand? So stay with me in this video, and don't forget, just like I said in this video, there are two ways to plant this. It's either through the seedlings or through the seed, or through the bulb like this. You don't understand? So let's go. So you might be asking us, why are you putting it inside sacks? I just want to try it out. The last time I put it here, nothing came out. So let's put it inside these sacks of sand. You understand? So I want to plant them inside these sacks of sand. It is more like an experiment for me. You understand? So if you don't know how to do it, please, if you're planting this, to make sure this other side is not fully covered inside the sand. So let's go. I'll need a stick for this. I don't want to use my hands. Okay, so I'm using this. This is a spoon. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Share this video to as many as you don't understand. Because I am your number one, your favorite agriculturist and farmer, Emeka and Josie Agric. So in this video, let me show you how we plant this. I know you cannot actually see, you understand, but let me bring this camera closer so that we will see. So sorry about that. Okay, so I have to do it like this so that everybody will see the processes. So you see right here, don't forget. So we open the sand and then put it like this. Make sure, let's say 2 centimeters or 2 meters deep, but make sure the sprouted part, it is not covered completely inside the sand. You understand? But make sure you cover it correctly. This video, can you see it? So we take the camera back to its rightful position right now. Okay, so that is the first one inside the sand. The second one goes. So you do the same thing, this other one, and after this I'll be looking for the way to cover it. Make sure this is how to plant your onions correctly. Put it inside the sand like this, and then this one has not yet started sprouting. So for this one, for the sake of this video, we are going to cover it completely to see. You understand? For the sake of this video, we are covering everything completely. So, and we are not keeping them here. So we will keep them here, or better still, I will take them to a place. I'm going to keep them there so that I can keep a close watch, so that there is no animal that will come to destroy it this time. So please, if you have watched this video to this point, that simply means I find my videos informative, educative, and above all what engage. What you have to do for me is hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget, this is the right way to do it. This is the right way. Please, this is the right way to do it, and I'll see you guys in the next. That's all. Don't forget, this is Emeka and Josie Agri. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.